Bust down, look at that booty.
My boy Mikey being loud as always. Sick. You don't care about no one. So we pulled up to the beat. There's a fucking green MK4 Super. Shit. See the Camaros and shit. And there's an Evo next to it. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it, but yeah. Damn. This was cat. Whoa.
I'm scared.
Nah.
I want to walk today. Watch this. He flies.
He flies. Damn. That fool was posted up.
So it seems. That's why I was like, I should have just left him in the car. Suffocating?
Nah.
Here? Who else? White one?
Inline 2.
What of a kind? What of a kind? Oh yeah.
These trucks. Oh, that truck's clean.
Trying to get gapped by a Supra? Or not?
Badass. Ooh, the interior. Damn, fucking Evo right here.
I want my car already.
Yeah, bro, I want my car.
Bro, when I come to these shits, I'm like, I want to get my Z already too. Like,
Hey, what's that, Mikey? What car is that?
which one? That one? The orange one?
Yeah.
That's a Scion FRS.
Yeah.
I couldn't see the emblem from here, that's why.
If you want a newer one, you go to the Toyota.
GR86. Oh, there's a Z right there too.
I'm jealous. I want that one.
Oh, you like that one?
I like that one a lot.
It's like 30,000. Where's Alex?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Now we decide to get food.
What we're gonna do?
Pokeland.
Alright, we'll get pizza.
Chipotle.
Alright, we're gonna get a pizza. I don't know. Alright, you guys are getting
Pizza.
It's Julian.
Alright, you want to take care of the camera?
I got you.
Alex, don't you go this
Day in
way?
life. Oh, wait. How do you focus on this?
Alright, so we're gonna go get poke.
Alright, Pokeland. What is it? Oh. Mikey's eating pokey. You think he's hitting up that girl? Nah, he's scared. He's scared. He's a shy boy. Yo, what'd you get? What'd you get? Fruit?
So I got pokey.
Yeah, avocado, crab,
Of course.
shrimp, salmon, and then green onions, and then.
Why don't you open it up? Open up. Give me a little.
Yeah, well, yeah, and cucumbers, green onion, and some seeds. I don't know the seeds.
Butter munch out.
Munch out.
Taste testing.
Your team's losing, bro. Cool. You gonna get it?
I'm struggling.
You gonna get it, bro?
Hold up, I got it.
Extreme focus.
Look.
Cool.
Where'd he go?
Behind you. He don't want it no more, bro. Took too long.
I can't. Pizza. Sorry. These fools ate pizza. I ate what I ate. And get boba. Got the Boboskis.
Thank you, Mike.
Yo.
Dubs.
Which one did you get?
What guy's that?
Strawberry too?
Yeah, but no boba.
No boba. We finished eating. About to go back home. Cruising.
This shit was hard, dog.
What?
Got
This shit
cookies
was
and
hard as
cream.
fuck to open.
Oh,
The Arc to Pop.
Oh, yeah.
I did that shit normally how I normally do that shit didn't pop.
She out on
So my homie hit me up so we could do bad shit in our cars. So I'm waiting and we might swing it.
Jeez. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going?
Right there.
You already told them or?
The spot faster.
Gas expensive though, bro.
565 is crazy.
You should just hit him. Hey boys. Hey. Oh, you can't even see it. Little rocket bunny. Hey. We're going to Mexico real quick. Ain't that right, Mikey? We're going to Mexico. Hey.
Recording right here.
Oh, record you? We're at Mexico. We're in Mexico, bro. Yeah, we're in Mexico. Going the speed limit as well, you know. You know us, good boys, good boys, good boys. Y'all scaring me. Full retarded. I ain't even.
He's turning really fast.
Yeah.
Wait, he doesn't have an e-brake? No, he doesn't. He needs to put the brake on it and do it.
Oh, you can't see it. Hey, hit his car, hit his car.
Hey, no kid, in the beginning it was cool. Yeah. Fuck. Oh shit, Alex is actually doing it.
Yeah.
But you're actually doing it good. Yeah.
I think you sent him a little too hard, bud. Oh, the front's good. The front's good. That's good, but what? Thank you. Thank you. Yo, freaking. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh! Hey, those are pops, fool. Hey! Mikey upgrade. Hey, that's on the camera.
Bitch, I'm MC Hammer. Katie, bitch, I bam ya. Think I'm Adam Sandler. Codeine in a Fanta. Turn you to a dancer.
So green pockets, I just wanna die forever like I bust the green pen. I gotta have it, off the name, I'm a savage, I feel like macho, man.